students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our topic Scratch, and this will be the next chapter more on Scratch. And today we will learn about few new topics, how to change the backdrop, how to apply animation, and how to move the sprites. That also we will be learning. I hope you will enjoy today's class and you will practice it at your home on your mobiles and the laptops. So let us start this video. So for that, as I have taken here two sprites, one boy and one girl, and I have taken like backdrop. So let me just remove it. I will be showing you from the starting how I have done and how it is being done. So let me just show you how to do it. So what I have done is, like, I have inserted these two characters, or let me just show you once again how I did it. So it was something like this. So for changing the backdrop, go on the backdrop, choose it, choose any of the option whichever you feel like I'm just choosing this. And when you come on the backdrop option, here we will find that here we have two backdrops, forest as well as this sky one. So we have the two backdrops. Now already we have one sprite. I will be removing this sprite and I will be bringing something like someone like dancers. Like I have taken this one, this girl, and I will be taking one another sprite. Like I can take like a balloon also I can take, so I will be taking one balloon and one more I will be taking so that it will be much more interesting. One more dancer, let me just find that one. Okay, let us just move with this one. So here we have two sprites. We have taken 1, 2, 3. Basically we have 3 sprites. So what we will do, we will choose one of the sprites. Like I have chosen, like this girl is being chosen. Okay, so this girl is being chosen. So अभी किसी भी चीज को start करना होता है तो क्या होगा, we will go on event and we will keep this as the first block. Like when this flag will be clicked, the animation will start. Then we will go for the forever and we will attach it, है ना. Whatever action we will add, वो क्या होगा, वो हमेशा repeat होता रहेगा. So for that, first of all we will take wait for 1 second, है ना. We will take wait for 1 second and we will fit it. इसको सिर्फ क्या करना है, fit करना है. इसको 1 करके हम लोग that what we will do, we will be adding few sounds also. So let us start. Let us just go on file and start a new project, and for that we will be taking the backdrop of a sea. We will be taking the backdrop of a sea. Let me just search, or let us just take the backdrop of any place like sea jaisa. Let us just find it here. Underwater we have taken this, and then here what we will do, we will delete this one. We will be taking few characters, like I will be taking few of the like fishes or like crabs, whatever we find in the water, or like frog, so that we will take, or like people who dives in the water, divers, we can take that also. So like I will just take shark, or this shark. Okay, this is looking good, so I will take this shark here, and I will be taking one more starfish. There was a starfish, so that it will give a good look. Crab also I can take. Let me just find it once again. Okay, let me just take crab only. Here we have diver also. We will take one diver, diving, and we will take another one, either the crab or that. Okay, let us just take this crab. Let me just take the correct one. This one, this is the crab. So here we have 3 characters. Okay, and just do it, the animation. First of all, what we will do, we will choose this driver, submerged one. यहाँ से भी choose करेंगे, and we will add few of the blocks. What are the blocks we are going to add? We will be taking the first drop. As we all know, the first block will be starting when flash blinks. Then we will taking the forever one. ये तो हमारा normal है, forever को लेना ही लेना है. Then we will taking move 10 steps. Then we will go on motion, and then we will take move 10 steps. Then what we will do, then we will take wait for 1 second. Then again we will come on control, and we will take wait for 1 second. And then we will be taking if on edge bounce, so that we can find here if an edge bounce. Here we have got, let us just find it, if on edge bounce. So I have just taken this one. This is for the diver. Make sure, देखो यहाँ पे जो दिखे और जो यहाँ पे selected हो वही क्या हमारा selected है. So this is for the diver. Same thing we will take, and we will paste it for the another character. Like just let us just insert one more character. I am just inserting one more character. Another one, this one. Okay, this will be here. Okay, another one, and I will be pasting this one. जो इसका वाला था, इसी को हम लोग क्या करेंगे, paste करेंगे. What we will do, we will do Control C. We will select the another diver. ये blank हो जाएगा. Then we will press Control V. Same thing यहाँ पे आ गया. तो अभी इसको play करके देखते हैं दोनों का. Once again, एक बार फिर से. Here we have perfect. यहाँ भी है, यहाँ भी है. अब देखो दोनों को. They both are moving. Now we will be giving some of the other animation for the shark. So for the shark, what we will take again Control. When flag is there, then we will take this one, forever. After forever, what we will do, we will be taking the another option, that is glide 5 seconds. So for that again we need to go to the motion, and we will go for the glide here, and whatever position is there you can change the position if you want. Then we will go for the next costume. हम लोग इसका क्या करेंगे, costume को चेंज करेंगे जैसे नेक्स्ट में किया था, एंड अगेन वी विल टेक द सेम ऑप्शन जो पहले ले लिया था. सो वी विल बी टेकिंग दिस वन वंस अगेन. ठीक है. एंड नाउ we will go for crab, and here also we will give something like when flag clicked, then again we will go on control, we will take the forever one, and here we will take move 20 steps. We will also take here one wait, और यहाँ पे हम लोग लेंगे move 20 steps, और let us just take 10 steps forward, then again 10 steps back. Okay, so this is how it works. Now let us just play. Now what we will do, let us just play everything, है ना. So this is how it works. Let me just try to just change these positions. Okay, so now I am just pausing it. Now we will see in the full screen how does it work. ओके, उल्टा हो गया, प्लेस बिकॉज इट वाज मूविंग ना, तो ये थोड़ी देर में ठीक हो जाएगा. सो लेट अस जस्ट पुट हियर. ओके, जस्ट माइनस साइन. ओके, लेट अस जस्ट प्ले इट नाउ. दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स, है ना. ये ऐसे क्या हो रहा है, ये चल रहा है. सो यू कैन इमेजिन what I am trying to show from this animation. Like this crab is moving out, and those two drivers, they are diving in the water, and that shark is trying to eat that crab. And now what happened, that crab moved out of the area wherever it was danger for him, wherever he was feeling. So like this we can make many of the animation. ये आपके ऊपर है, इसको आप कितनी क्रिएटिविटी के साथ बना सकते हो. How nicely you can show, how nicely you can present. So basically it is totally up to you. So try it and you will find it very much interesting. We will also see how to add sounds. Okay, I will be showing how to add sounds. What we need to do, we need to select the character. Like I am selecting this diver 2, and then we will go on sound, and then here what we will select, we will select the sound from here, or like just come in the option like here, and here we will go for the sound. और यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, play sound, है ना, यहाँ पे forever में, and we will select a sound, है ना, like pop sound is there, or if you want you can record some sounds also. So let me just play it. Drop, you could listen few drops, छोटा छोटा drops आपको सुनाई दे रहा होगा. सुनो, you can listen small drops which I have added, है ना. तो ये क्या है, we have added the sound. Similarly there are many different sounds which you can add. So children, this would be clear to you all. Please do try it. There are so many activities in the book. We will be trying more animations and new projects in next week. Thank you.